Tonight we're going to see if we can get this old truck going. I have this 1997 Chevy C1500 I picked up for cheap this summer with bad brake lines and other issues. Our Saturn Outlook that we use as our family car appears to be on its last leg. The torque converter is getting real choppy and it might go out, so we need to make sure we have enough winter vehicles going. So we're going to see if we can get this thing going. First step is to dig it out and see if it'll even start. This truck has been sitting here for probably 3 to 4 months to 30 below. It's only got 77 or 72,000 miles on it, but it had been kind of abandoned by a nursing home that used it as their maintenance truck. But it seems to be a really strong motor, so we'll see what we got here. Dig a trench here with the scoop so I can get out. Okay, now guess what we get to do?
Empty the bed.
Yep. I gotta pull. Which one? I might have to use a screwdriver.
We got the bed all dug out.
There we go. Inside to thaw out.
We put the truck in our garage and let it dry off, and then we drove it up to the shop.
Now that you can see the truck better, it's a 1997 Chevy C1500 with absolutely zero options. It's as basic of a truck as you can get. It has the most valuable part about it is that it has 75,000 miles on it and runs real good.